You're my sweetest addiction.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to the three-sided head, which is a peak swimming. Now we're still going to do the face, and then, well, there's so many beautiful things in here that you can look around. Come on, look and see.
I could not climb as long as you are mine, and I thank you for being you. I'll be your guide whenever. More than I can say. You're my sweetest addiction. You're my.
Today is a really fun day. After swimming in a really windy situation and a really cold water, of course. Now it's the end of the day. We're going to home now. Don't forget to subscribe and like to see our next adventure. Bye.